Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, shut up and dance with me.
We were victims of the night, the chemical, physical kryptonite. Lost in the bass and the fading light. Oh, we were bound to get together.
Lagi ko nakikita sa kanya yung family-oriented siya.
She took my arm.
Mas pinipili niya yung kasiyahan nila kaysa sa kanya. So, ayun ang nagustuhan ko sa kanya.
Don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, shut up and dance with me.
Ngayon, napapagod siya rin. Hindi ko pa wala, parang masaya. Prayer ko na magandang panahon.
Balong, JB, Christian, Raha, best boy doon. Let's go.
Thank you. Pastor
I don't know how it happened. We took the floor and you said,
Don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said shut up and dance with me.
Kahit na gano'n ka mang kabisi sa buhay, kahit na gano'n kahirap ko,
Deep in her eyes, I think I see the future. I realize this is my last chance. She took my arm. I don't know how it happened. We took the floor and she said
maging best tatay ng mga anak at best asawa. Ano sabi mo?
Goodbye.
Kaya please work hard.
May ka-partner ka na, mag-aasawa ka na. So best wishes sa'yo at sana maging mayabong ang pagsasama niyo.
don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, shut up and dance with me. Ooh, shut up and dance with me.
Salamat, B, dahil tinanggap niyo ako na maging part ng buhay niyo. Lagi mong tatandaan na mahal kita. Palagi kasama si Chinoy at ang magiging baby natin. To Chinoy. Thank you dahil tinanggap mo si Papa Anjo para maging partner in life ni mama mo. Gagawin ko ang lahat para alagaan kayo at bigyan ng magandang buhay ni mama mo at magiging kapatid mo.
Nagsimula ang lahat sa isang kanta. Bakit ngayon ka lang sabay nagtagpo ating mata?
Magmahalan kayo, manguna ang Diyos sa inyong buhay at nang sa gayon inyong pagmamahalan habang panahon ay magdulot ng kaligtasan sa piling ng Diyos magpasawalang hanggan.
Di ba't sinabi sa'yo ipaglalaban ko? Tahanan mo ako, di magbabago yun. At pag ika'y nawawala, tingin ka lang sa aking mata.
Pinakamahalaga naman sa kasal ay hindi yung kung ano yung kasuotan, kung hindi yung kung ano yung nasa kalooban ng isang tao.
Para sa'yo, basta't nandito lang ako sa tabi mo.
Hindi ko akalaing darating yung araw na muli ako maniniwala sa love ng ganito kalalim.
Beses na buntik kang sumuko.
Thank you for loving me beyond my flaws, beyond my past, and beyond all the walls I built to protect myself.
Pagkat walang maganang
pinapangako ko sa'yo na mamahalin kita, gagalangin, at poprotektahan sa kahit anumang bagay. Gagawin ko ang lahat sa abot ng aking makakaya na hindi lang ikaw, hindi lang kayong dalawa ni Ginoy, kasama mong tumanda. At ngayon, magkakaroon na tayo ng sarili nating anak. I love you so much. Mahal na mahal kita.
Sabay natin nadadaan ang lahat hanggat sa dulo ng ating pagmamahal. Hanggat sa kunin tayo ng may kapal.